Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 577. Title of today's lesson is the difference between tiptoe and tiptoe around. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If a person tiptoes somewhere, he or she walks on the balls of one's feet and the tips of one's toes with the heels lifted off the ground, kind of like that. Okay. Usually to be as quiet or silent as possible. Yeah, that's the reason you're doing that. One could tiptoe in, out, or around someplace. So you could tiptoe into a room, you could tiptoe out of a room, you could tiptoe around the room or around a bed or something like that. All right, let's continue. All right, now, if one says to tiptoe around something, now this is usually about a topic or a subject. Remember, the other one was physical, physically walking on your feet. This is not physical. So if someone says to tiptoe around, it means a person is trying to avoid directly discussing or talking about a difficult or especially a sensitive topic. Let's continue. One can also stand on one's tiptoes, again, lifting yourself up high like that, especially to reach something or to see over something, like if something were blocking your view. Okay, and we got 6 examples to show how all of these work. Here's the first one. She had to tiptoe out of the house not to wake up her sleeping parents. Okay, good. Number 2 here, he tried to tiptoe into the room, but a squeaky floorboard woke his wife. Yeah, we always see this like in a movie. Someone, they step on a squeaky floorboard and kind of ruins because you were trying to be quiet. All right, so again, these are both physical ones. She had to stand on her tiptoes. So here we're having the on to reach that shelf. Yes, so, okay, good. All right, or here, he stood on his tiptoes to see over the heads of the crowd. Yeah. All right, so, because people are probably blocking his view. And the last one here, when asked a question about that politician, he tiptoed around that issue rather than giving a direct answer. So trying to avoid it, or if he speaks about it at all, just very slight and then kind of moving on to something else. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.